Let's come into the child pose with the hands onto the back, bringing your forehead down, taking a deep breath in, longer breath out. Having an Ujjayi breath from here, inhale through the back of your throat, exhale to the back of your throat. Inhale and exhale. Connecting with your breath, having a hush sound, an Ujjayi, an oceanic breath. Inhale through the back of your throat. Exhale through the back of your throat. Connecting with your body, connecting with your breath. Few more deep breaths in and out. And then slowly come back on all fours, placing your fingertips down, knees are down. As you inhale, look up, chin up. As you exhale, round your stomach. Inhale, look up, chin up, chest up. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, all the way up. Exhale, round your spine. From there, tuck your toes, make your hands straight and slowly shift your weight onto the back of your hips, lifting your knees up, bringing your head, bringing your neck down, swing side to side. Stretching your arms completely, giving the weight onto the heels. Breathe in, breathe out. And then bring your knees a little bit up, elevated, coming to a downward facing dog. Pedaling your knees up and down in this downward facing dog. Maybe cha-cha your hips. Swing your neck side to side. Coming to a high plank. To the low plank. Coming to a high plank. To the low plank. One more time, high plank. To low plank. Stretching your body completely and take the inhale, raise your right leg up all the way up towards the sky. Bend your knees, open up your hips, and ankle rotation here. Anti-clockwise. From there, bring the knees to the elbows, open up your hips, go back, and then come back, knees to the elbows, bring the knees up towards the sky, open up your hips. One more time, knees to the elbows, bring the knees up, open up to the sky, and then come to a downward facing dog. Inhale, raise your left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, knees bent, open your hips, ankle rotation here, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Then inhale, raise the leg up. Exhale, bend the knees, bring the knees to the left elbow, open up your hips, come back. Let's do the second round. Knees, open up your hips, twist hip to hip, then come back for the third. And then slowly come to a downward facing dog. From there, bend your knees, come on towards your Vajrasana, onto a thunderbolt. Then bring your hands and then wrist rotation here. Putting on the hand, fingers, giving a nice pressure to the other fingers. From there, opening your hands, opening your shoulders, 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. And from there, come back on all fours. From the all fours, sending your right leg straight up. As you exhale, left hand straight. Inhale. As you inhale, exhale, elbows and the knees. Inhale, straight legs, straight hand. Exhale, elbows to the knees. Inhale, straight legs, straight arms. Exhale, elbows to the knees. This time as you inhale, straight hands. Stay over there. Then bring the right leg towards the right side. Then send the leg back. If the hands kind of tough, you can place the hands down. Stretch the spine a little bit more straight, elbows more straight, lifting the right leg up and slowly bring it up. Then go back. Inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale, tap to the side. Inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale, tap. Inhale, lift the leg up. 2 more times. Exhale, tap. Inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale, side. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, knees down. From there, sending the left leg straight. Inhale, bring the right arm up, focusing onto the balance. As you exhale, knees and the elbows. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. As you exhale, tap the sides left. Come back. Tap. Feel free to place the hands down as well. Tap. 2 more times. Inhale. Side tap. Inhale. Tap. Inhale. Round the spine. Tuck the toes. Come to the downward facing dog. Look in between both of your hands. Walk in between both of your hands. Holding your opposite elbow, swing side to side. Inhale, fingertips down, and from there coming back up, all the way up. Exhale, circle sweep your arms, bring the hands down. Inhale, halfway up, bend your knees, walk or jump to a high plank, to the low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale to the downward facing dog. From the downward facing dog, inhale, raise the right leg up. Exhale, right leg outside your right hand. Bring the knees down, elbows down. Either stay over there or maybe tuck your back of your toes, lift the knees up. Take a deep breath in, longer breaths out. Deep breaths in, longer breaths out. Deep breaths in, longer breaths out. Coming onto the fingertips. Then sending your legs back to the high plank. From the high plank, place the right hand, touch the left shoulder, come back. From the left hand, touch the right shoulder, come back. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From there, come to low plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog, to the downward facing dog. Inhale, raise the left leg up towards the ceiling. Exhale, left leg outside the left hand. From there, drop your knees, drop your elbows. Look forward. Press your arms, lift the back of the knee up. Taking a deep breath in, longer breaths out. Deep breaths in, longer breaths out. Deep breaths in, longer breaths out. From there, walk your hands back. Send the leg back to the high plank. From the high plank, Bring the right knee to the right elbow, go back, left knee to the left elbow. For 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come to the low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take 2 clean, deep cleansing breaths here. And slowly walk your legs halfway. Then walk your hands halfway. Place the hands, the soles of under the soles of the foot. Your palms under the soles of the foot, bringing your knees folded, letting the head relax into this squirrel pose. Swing side to side. Come back, place the hands, send the leg back, high plank, low plank, upward facing dog, to the downward facing dog. Come back onto the knees, make your hands straight and slowly place your forehead down. Slowly come back up on all fours. From there, press your hands, coming into a downward facing dog. Inhale, raise your right leg all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, right leg in between both of your hands. Inhale, raise both of the arms up, bring the hands in a prayer position. As you exhale, open up your chest. Inhale, bring the chest forward. Exhale, send the right arm back. Inhale, bring the hands up, open up your chest, go back again. Exhale, place the hands down, bring the right arm all the way up, look up. Exhale, place the hands down, send the leg back to the high plank, low plank, upward facing dog, to the downward facing dog. Inhale, raise the left leg up. Exhale, left leg in between both of your hands. Inhale, raise both of the arms up. Bring the hands in a prayer position. Open up your chest. Exhale, bring the chest forward. Inhale, straight arms. Exhale, send the left arm back. Open up your shoulders. Inhale, bring the hands together. Then open up your chest. Exhale, place the hands down. Lift the left hand up. Look up. Placing the hands down, sending the feet back to the high plank, to the low plank, upward facing dog, to the downward facing dog. Take deep breath in, longer breaths out. From there, bend your knees. Lie down onto your back. With the shins parallel to the ground. Bringing your hands onto the back. Interlocking the fingers. Staying over there, lifting the chest up. From there, bring your right elbow to the left knee, making your other leg straight. And the crunches, the bicycle crunches here for 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your knees together, hug them tight. From the two peace fingers, hold the big toe, bring the legs straight. Beautiful. As you exhale, forward fold, coming into Paschimottanasana. Bow down. Stay over there. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale halfway. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, again forward fold. Beautiful. From there again, lie down onto your back, lifting the legs up. We are having a circular motion, circular movements here, going from the right first, then dropping your legs down towards the left. Doing 5 times clockwise. This is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Anti-clockwise for 5, for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your knees folded. Bring your hands on towards your happy child kind of a pose. Hands can be inside or outside. Swaying side to side. Then open up your legs. Stretch your legs completely. Bringing your legs together in a sleeping butterfly position. Lying down here. Bring both of the knees together, come towards your sides, and then press your arms and slowly make your way to come into any of the comfortable sitting position. Eyes can still be closed. Bringing your hands on towards your chest, close to the chest, taking a deep breath in, longer breaths out. Rubbing your palms, generating an icy. Placing them on towards your eyes. And slowly open up. Look at the palms. Giving a positive energy to yourself. Thank you so much. Sending your healing energies to you. Namaste.
Thank you so much for watching and sharing your beautiful energies with me. If you enjoy this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe button to make sure you stay up to date in all our new yoga and workout classes. See you. Thank you so much. Namaste.